Here we have a 70s or 80s Whirlpool central air conditioner.
It is a heat pump. So here we have an old 80s Whirlpool heat pump.
This is a heat pump?
Yeah, it's got the suction accumulator for the fan.
Oh wow.
This is
Let's see here.
1980s Whirlpool heat pump. It is somewhat legible.
Carrier Century heat pump from 2021, and there's a double stack of some sort right here. This might be a Lennox. This is an Arcoaire. Might have been another one right here. As you can see, there's a disconnect with no unit. Snipped lines right there. And you can see the pad right there too. I'm pretty sure there's another Whirlpool here.
There used to be. But yeah, see, it's got the suction accumulator. It's a Tecumseh.
Can you see the compressor?
It's actually a Tecumseh.
Alright, that's the suction accumulator right there.
So this might be like really no. This is a late 80s, mid-late 80s, judging by the logo. Mid to late 80s, like an 85, 86. There used to be 3, you can tell one used to be here.
So this one probably replaced one. I don't know what that replaced. Another one.
You just have fucking rough spots. But yeah, this is definitely not what I expected.
Pretty neat. I wonder if it's been running. No, I don't think it has been. Yeah, this is a heat pump.
Yep.
See right there.
That's